just laid off nearly 8,000 employees, around 10% of its workforce, while simultaneously preparing to spend up to $145 billion on artificial intelligence infrastructure. At the same time, Zuckerberg says AI is now the most consequential technology of our lifetimes, and warns that companies losing the AI race may not survive. Even crazier? Meta is reportedly reassigning another 7,000 employees into AI-focused roles, while freezing thousands of new hires. Despite generating over $200 billion in annual revenue, Meta said the cost of building superintelligent AI systems is becoming overwhelming. Internally, employees are describing the situation as one of the biggest morale collapses in Meta's history. So what is Zuckerberg actually building? And why is Meta suddenly sacrificing thousands of jobs to fund AI? For years, Meta was known as Facebook, WhatsApp, and the Metaverse company. But in 2026, Meta is becoming something completely different. Now Zuckerberg wants Meta to become an AI infrastructure giant, an autonomous software company, and eventually one of the leaders in superintelligence. And according to insiders, that transformation is getting extremely exciting. 1,000 layoffs shocked Silicon Valley. In May 2026, Meta officially began laying off around 8,000 employees, roughly 10% of its workforce, across Asia, Europe, and the United States. But this wasn't just another tech layoff, because Meta is still massively profitable. In 2025 alone, Meta generated over $200.9 billion in revenue, and around $60.4 billion in net income. Naturally, people asked, if Meta is making this much money, why fire thousands of workers? Zuckerberg's answer was simple: AI. Zuckerberg says AI is becoming too expensive. According to internal memos and multiple reports, Meta's AI spending is exploding faster than almost anyone expected. Meta's projected capital expenditures for 2026 are now estimated between $125 billion and $145 billion. That is an unbelievable amount of money. For comparison, many countries don't spend that much annually on infrastructure. Some Fortune 500 companies aren't even worth that much. So where is all this money going? Mostly into AI data centers, G clusters, compute infrastructure, AI chips, energy superintelligence research. Reports say Meta is aggressively purchasing massive amounts of NVIDIA AI chips, networking hardware. Because modern AI is insanely expensive. Training frontier AI models now costs billions of dollars. Enormous electricity usage. Giant server farms running non-stop. And Zuckerberg believes this race is becoming existential. Guaranteed, Zuckerberg's warning. One line from Zuckerberg's internal memo shocked many employees. He reportedly told staff, reveals something important. Meta is scared. Not scared of bankruptcy, but scared of losing the AI race. Right now, Meta is competing against OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Microsoft, Xi, Amazon, and whoever dominates AI infrastructure could control software, search, productivity tools, advertising, and digital ecosystems for decades. Zuckerberg understands this. That's why Meta is suddenly acting like a wartime company. Cut costs, move faster, prioritize AI above everything, even if thousands lose jobs in the process. Quietly rebuilding the entire company around AI. This is the part most people are missing. The layoffs are only half the story. Meta is also restructuring internally. According to reports, another 7,000 employees are being reassigned into AI-focused roles. Some teams are being reorganized into AI pods, autonomous engineering groups, AI-first product divisions. Meta reportedly wants future AI systems capable of coding, workflows, automating moderation, generating content, and product development. In simple terms, Meta doesn't just want AI tools, it wants AI workers. And internally, some executives reportedly believe future employees may supervise fleets of AI agents instead of doing tasks manually. That's a massive shift. The year of efficiency never really ended. Some people thought Meta's massive layoffs ended back in 2023. Remember when Zuckerberg announced the year of efficiency? Back then, Meta eliminated around 21,000 jobs across multiple restructuring waves. At the time, Zuckerberg admitted the company had overhired during the pandemic. But now analysts think something bigger is happening. Just cost-cutting anymore. This is structural transformation. Big tech companies are increasingly replacing slower human-heavy workflows with AI-driven operations. Meta may simply be one of the first companies doing it aggressively at scale. Employees inside Meta are reportedly furious. According to reports from multiple outlets, morale inside Meta has collapsed badly during this restructuring. Some employees reportedly signed petitions, criticized leadership internally, and complained about increased surveillance and monitoring tools. Others were shocked because even strong-performing employees were laid off. One of the biggest fears? Nobody fully understands who could be next, and creating panic across Silicon Valley. Meta isn't alone. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Snap, Oracle, and Block are also restructuring heavily around AI, which means this might not be temporary. It could become the new normal. The AI spending arms race is getting out of control. This is where things become insane. The world's biggest tech companies are now spending amounts once reserved for governments. Meta alone may spend up to $145 billion on AI infrastructure. Microsoft is spending tens of billions through OpenAI partnerships. Google is rapidly expanding AI data centers. Amazon is building giant AI cloud systems. AI is burning billions building Colossus. Everyone is racing toward one goal: artificial general intelligence, or at least something close to it. And whoever gets there first could dominate the future internet. That's why companies are suddenly willing to fire workers, freeze hiring, and redirect entire businesses toward AI. The stakes are enormous. But is AI really replacing these jobs? This is online right now. Some people believe companies are using AI as an excuse to cut payroll while protecting profits. Others think AI genuinely is changing workforce needs permanently. And honestly, both may be true. According to discussions across Reddit and tech communities, workers believe AI isn't fully replacing employees yet. But companies are restructuring around the expectation that it eventually will. That's an important distinction. Right now, AI still makes mistakes, supervised systems. Most workflows still require oversight. But companies clearly believe future teams will become much smaller, especially in coding, moderation, customer support, content generation, and operations. And Meta appears to be preparing early for that future. Zuckerberg's bigger vision: personal superintelligence. Here's where things get really futuristic. According to internal strategy discussions, Meta's long-term AI vision involves something Zuckerberg reportedly calls personal superintelligence. The idea is basically this: in constantly using apps manually, AI assistants would understand users deeply, automate tasks, create content, manage communication, potentially become digital companions. About that, Meta doesn't just want AI chatbots. It wants AI integrated into Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, smart glasses, future devices, and maybe everyday life itself. That's why Zuckerberg is spending like crazy, because if Meta wins this race, the payoff could be historic. But the risks are massive. Even investors are nervous now. Why? Because AI infrastructure spending is becoming unbelievably expensive. No guarantee these investments will pay off. The stock already faced pressure after investors worried about rising capex, unclear AI profits, and massive infrastructure costs. At the same time, regulators are watching AI closely. Governments are discussing AI laws. And public trust in tech companies is already fragile. If AI monetization disappoints, these giant spending plans could backfire badly. Vendors like OpenAI or Google move faster, Meta's gamble could become extremely risky. 1,000 layoffs are not just another tech headline. They're a warning sign about where the entire industry is heading. Because for the first time, big tech companies are openly restructuring themselves around AI-first operations. Zuckerberg is making one thing very clear. He believes the companies winning the AI race will control the next era of technology. That's why Meta is willing to spend over $100 billion, reorganize thousands of employees, completely rebuild itself around AI. The three parts? This may only be the beginning, because if Meta's strategy works, every major company on Earth could eventually follow the exact same playbook. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe right now, because we cover the biggest AI wars, tech industry strategies, and future technologies before they hit mainstream headlines. And comment below, do you think AI is genuinely replacing jobs? Or are companies using AI as an excuse for layoffs? Bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.